a squirrel.
Welcome to ADHD Garage. We're going to increase the value of your U.S. General Harbor Freight 5-drawer mechanics cart. And what I mean by increasing the value is more perceived value, really. Let's get to it. What you're going to need is a simple hair dryer, a X-Acto blade, and a snap-on sticker. First thing I did was measure. You know, obviously U.S. General's doing a good job of keeping these pretty much in the middle when they apply them. So I was going off of this a little bit, but I did measure. I basically kind of rounded down a little bit. Center point is 10¼ inches up from this lip. So made a line at 10¼ inches on both sides, which corresponds to, basically I measured the inside, measured from the top to the bottom, split the difference, and that top line is the center. So all I'm going to do is, once I get the other sticker off, line it up as best I can with these two lines, and then apply. Here we go. First thing you're going to do is use the hair dryer. You're going to heat up that adhesive and try and get that off. Not too bad. Obviously it sticks a little bit. Just take that off. We'll get that cleaned up in just a second. Get those off. Now, I'm not the best mechanic in the world. I cut my hand a lot, like this today, working on a Mini Cooper that's behind me. And so I keep alcohol wipes in the garage to kind of clean up the wound and so I can keep going. That is pretty clean. Clean it up with a little spray away here. Yeah, looks pretty good. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a shop. All right, so we're going to offer this up. Got this off of Fleabay, and I can't remember what it was, 10 bucks maybe? Been sitting around for quite a while, but I figured since I'm waiting on parts for the Mini, I figured tonight would be a good time to increase the value of the old mechanics cart. All right, let's see if I can do this kind of straight. So I'm just lining it up. There's a line that I drew with just a Sharpie, real fine point Sharpie right here. So if I can line that up here, and there, get a little bit of a chance to reset it. I'm also going to use one of these to kind of make sure that it adheres down. Take another shot at that. Over it again. Now be careful when you pull this off because the letters might try and stick to it, so take your time. You kind of go at a real, basically just pull it off at this angle. Basically kind of push it up against itself. Feel real slow. Doesn't look too bad. Cool. Now you're probably saying to yourself, well, you still have this US General little logo on here, and you got one over here. But while that's true, I also bought these. So again, eBay. I got a couple of these, and let's slap those on. Whoop, cart's moving. Whew. Probably should have done this first. All right, I got most of it off. Let's take a little adhesive remover. Woo! Spray away again. Gonna get it. Sparkling clean. It really doesn't look half bad. So there you go. We've increased the value dramatically of the exact same cart from Harbor Freight. 5-drawer mechanics cart, which I'm a DIYer. Just work on Mini Coopers, work on my wife's car and my daily driver, a Honda. This thing's just perfect. It's I got it as a Father's Day gift 3 years ago, and I love it. It's fantastic. And one of the things I'm hoping to do with the channel is to help out with organization. That's why it's ADHD, kind of all over the place. Let's try and get organized a little bit in the shop reasonably. Let's not go over the top. And there's some tool brands that will sell you an entire tool set with all the organization and stuff like that. That would be fantastic. But I don't know about you, but I don't get $6 grand of burn. So, but I'll show you some of the stuff that I've kind of come up with. This Ulsa tools. I'll show you these in an upcoming video. Some of the other stuff are organized to get my shop organized. It works best with me. So, got this. Outgrew this. Bought this one. If I were to do it again, I'd probably buy a larger cart. But how did I know that I was going to outgrow it? I didn't. So the other thing is, these come with these US General pads on the back. I bought this, I think, off of Etsy. So this goes right here. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try and build the channel, so if you can like and subscribe, and if you have comments, try and keep them positive. I also don't want Snap-on truck pulling out in front and yelling at me. So it's done in jest a little bit. So yeah, if you can like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. It'd help me out a lot. Hope we can have some fun. Thanks for joining me in the ADHD garage. Hope you enjoyed the show. Just having some fun with the adding some Snap-on logos to my Harbor Freight mechanics toolbox and my roll-away here. And the Snap-on pad. It's very soft.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
I appreciate you stopping by. knock it out in your shop and have some fun yourself. Talk to you guys later.